How to make your desktop go from dirty to super clean in just 5 steps. Step 1 is to clean your desktop. Just right-click anywhere on your desktop, click New, then click New Folder. Name the folder and then put your apps in it. This will make your desktop feel a lot less cluttered. Step 2 is to fix your taskbar. First, go to the App Store and search Translucent TB, then download it. This will make your taskbar clear, making it look much cleaner than the gray taskbar. Next, right-click your taskbar and turn off anything you don't need, like Cortana and News. Then, go to the taskbar settings and enable Use Small Taskbar buttons. This will make the buttons smaller and cleaner. Next, go to Toolbars and enable Links. This allows you to move the buttons around, so move them to the middle. And once you finish setting up the taskbar, lock it so it doesn't get messed up. Step 3 is to get a good wallpaper. You can use boring free wallpapers, or for cool ones, open Steam and search Wallpaper Engine. It's only $5, but it's really worth it. Find a wallpaper you like and set it as your wallpaper.
Nice.
Also, comment your current phone wallpaper. Step 4 is to add skins. Search Rainmeter on Google and download it. Then search Visual Skins and click this link and find the Mond skin. Download it, then open Rainmeter. Once it's open, go to your Downloads folder and find the Mond skin. Click Install. This cool skin to show up. So customize it to your liking. Then go back to Rainmeter and unload the recycling bin and player because we do not want those. Step 5 is to wipe your desktop. If you don't like using folders or you just don't want to see the folders, right-click your desktop, go to View, and uncheck Show Desktop Items.